Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to submit dividend tax return using e-filing taxation system. First of all, log into your account. Go to the left side menu bar, click on Due Filings. In this page, you have to find your dividend tax return which you want to submit. Click here. In the Create Assessment page, line number 110, put the gross amount of dividend. And then press the Submit button. The notice of assessment page will show up, which shows the gross and 20% tax deduction, and then press the print button. And that's how you submit a dividend tax return using e-filing taxation system of Afghanistan. Thanks for your time.